Come with us to a hotel that blew our minds while we were in Houston. Waited till we were unpacked to show you the real hotel vibes. In the bathroom, check this out. Totally unbelievable. An actual hook and place for more than one person. We each had a spot. So good. And then, hey, of course every lady needs her hair tools. Soaps were out of the way. It was fantastic. Didn't stop there. So much storage. We used it to create our personal snack area. Loved how everything was beautiful and orderly. Continuing the vibes was this glass front fridge that helped us to stock things with healthy things at a great price from the Target down the street. And still, there was plenty of space for extras. Here we go into the bedroom area, and check it out. There's still more than enough space for each of us. We had everything plugged in, tons of drawers, open space, a beautiful view, and I mean, more than enough for both of us to feel unpacked and still like we're in a hotel room instead of cramped. We still weren't done though. This wasn't even a suite, and check it out, hooks and a place for luggage. Oh my gosh, in all of our travels, it's so rare to find such thoughtful space. Closet was excellent too. Everything helped us to have a really nice stay, ready for anything that came next. Perfect. But the property had more.
Oh, hey. I really love this breakfast spread they got here at this Holiday Inn Express because you have such a great variety of foods. Some places they only give you like maybe eggs and an oatmeal. Here you've got everything from pastries to fruit. You've got your, of course, oatmeal. They had oatmeal and grits, eggs, bacon, turkey sausage, and they have alternative options as well. So almond milk was here. Yes, we had tea, which is great option because now I'm a tea drinker. So I just love the spread, and it was laid out really nice, and it's just kept clean. So thumbs up to these guys.
Tony wasn't kidding. There was fresh fruit, which was really nice. Cereals, and they even had alternative milk. Breads, fruit, pastries for those that have a sweet tooth, a griddle station for fresh hot waffles, and a buffet area with hot food.
Fresh out of bed, nothing more than just a change. And it feels so good to be able to come into a gorgeous dining room and be able to enjoy a complimentary breakfast that is filled with nutritious, delicious, and comforting items. Love it.
Being able to have fresh combinations new each morning was awesome. But then there was the rooftop pool and view. So cool, with food you can order as well. They even had a social hour with complimentary drinks. Cheers to that. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. We love to hear from you.